Hi, Hazel. Donkey. Oh. Oh, where'd they go? Well, there's some of them right there. Oh, I'm gonna walk down there and get a better look. It is absolutely incredible. It's like a swarm of, like, you know, a school of fish. And how they can, like, oh, and they all settle. Not one. Oh. 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 How many there are. Put my hoodie on just in case. Oh, how beautiful is that? That definitely sets off, to me, an awesome. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Oh my. And they're all in this one bamboo bush in that tree. This has been happening for so. Oh, look how many. Oh my gosh, look how many they are in the. Can I zoom in here? Can I zoom in? Can I zoom in on this tree? Oh my. That is absolutely incredibly beautiful right now. And they all dive. And they make that chirping sound. Oh my. It's like a giant school. Oh my. There's gotta be hundreds. And they apart and come. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's even more beautiful. Oh my god. I'm really in the other person's yard right now, but it's so worth it. Of how beautiful these things are. Oh. And they all settle. They all dive into that bamboo thing. You can hear them, like, I don't know what kind of birds these are, but they're small and they're crazy. I've seen them actually push away a bunch of hawks. It's crazy. They'll just like gang up on them. Oh, yeah.